You're cute. He did show some attitude the other day when they were coming in from recess. Guess who got sleep trained this week? He's having a small situation, and I'm afraid he's gonna have his day ruined right now. We are on a bike ride. The boys are bundled up because it is cold. But Case is supposed to have music class. But we all have a little bit of a cold, so I'm gonna get sprayed by a sprinkler. Anyways, so we're staying home. Case wanted to go for a bike ride, and our days of being able to do this, look at my hair, are dwindling away. So here we are. Say hi, Case. You're cute. Driving? Nowhere else? It's the only time. But they're not that comfy to wear.
How's Case bad? Seems pretty good this one.
Yeah, not bad.
I
Glad this was a quick.
He still has a little bit of a snotty nose. And he ate raspberries in the car, if you can't tell. Oh my goodness. You guys can hear me, but this is the sketchiest job that Colin does. I hate it. This ledge, I don't even know how many feet it is. I'll have to ask Colin, but he basically just stacks this chopped corn, or they come dump it and he pushes it with this tractor, and then it just keeps getting packed and packed and packed, and this will kind of be up a lot higher, like probably to where my hand is too. It just keeps getting taller and taller, and so then it's higher and higher up, and it's very steep and it's very scary, and I don't like it. So we're sitting in the corn pit. We have to be very, very careful because he doesn't come up this far, but I just have to keep all eyes on Case at all times so that he doesn't run off and get behind the tractor. But I usually let him play for a couple minutes before we leave, because who doesn't want to play in a big pile of corn? Even though it sticks to you. Huh, Case? Sticks to you. Sticky, sticky, sticky. Max has to wear a hat because of his darn birthmark, huh? Oh, really? Oh dear, Daddy's crashing? We don't want it to crash. Hey, baby. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Are those your boots? The funny thing is, these boots fit Case only last year. His feet are so little. They just barely started growing, but like this size says newborn. It's a size 4. And they're just a hair, like barely too big for Axel. Not even really too big. They fit him. And they just fit Case, so it's covering you up. Are you crawling in the corn? You crawling in the corn? This is seriously a kid's dream to play in this stuff. I'm in my car. This is a very flattering angle, I know. grocery pickup. That's what I'm doing. But more. I grabbed us some Costa Vida before. So we're sitting here eating Costa Vida, waiting for grocery pickup order to come out. And we've already done a Sam's Club pickup order. And yeah, then our errands are done and we're going home. I ran a bunch this morning. I had to go pick up some farm parts for the chopper. And whew, this case is hot. I should have had this airing out. Tile for my mother-in-law. 2 grocery pickup orders. Yeah. Honey, it's really hot. So I'm trying to let it blow off, cool off. You want it? And he woke up very grumpy. He's been asleep the whole time until now. Same with Axel, which is like never happens, and I'm so thankful for it. So, yep, it's our day. It is, what is it? It's Monday. Conference for Case, like officially. This steering wheel's cutting my face off. Officially a parent because I had parent teacher conference for the first time as a mother. I have done parent teacher conference as a teacher when I was student teaching, but never as a mom. So that was a new experience. It sounds like he's doing well in school. I asked how he was doing, like if he was listening well, because I mean, he doesn't listen to me very good sometimes, a lot of the time. And she said he does pretty good, but he did show some attitude the other day when they were coming in from recess. He took off running, I guess, and they had to chase him down. So, sounds like Case. That doesn't shock me, and I'm surprised it took him that long to do it, to be honest.
Oh, sweet baby. Did you just wake up? Did you wake up? You're handsome. Guess who got sleep trained this week? This baby did. Really?
He's home because they're broken down.
Only home for like 20 more minutes.
Seems like you're pushing me around the kitchen.
Yeah, I need milk.
What broke down, honey?
A tractor.
So we're eating breakfast together, and it's like I have not seen him all week long, so this is fun. But he has to go back to work here in a little bit. What is that? Is that Case? Cute.
Yeah, I'm buying this. Got to rip it off.
You got a ball? Aluminum foil ball. It's cool. Cutting fourth crop hay because their tractor broke down. I just brought him lunch and it's a soggy sandwich.
It's good.
Oh no, did you drop your ball?
It's so hard to walk in.
Still has a toothbrush in here. Brushing his teeth on the go, huh, Axie?
Axie. It's right here.
Is having a small situation, and I'm afraid he's gonna have his day ruined right now. He just was cutting and hit a rock. So like there was a big rock that you can't see. It was down in the hay. And it broke something off, so he's out there. He's not too thrilled with what's going on out there. Okay. Hi. So we're waiting for the, oh, there he is. You don't look happy. There's the rock.
Why?
He's angry.
Look at that thing.
That's big. Hey, idea was it to come out here? Yeah. For riding with Call. Case fell asleep on the way home, which is like a rarity. Never happens, huh? You guys never nap, but I was just checking on my dahlias. This cute little thing's blooming, but basically the sun's moved since I planted these, and also there were bugs in these. Got freaking holes in the leaves. So all these are like ready. Like look at that one, it's huge. But it's not getting enough sun. So even though that one's blooming, the leaves should be a little bit wider. But it's like the sun isn't making them open like they should. At least I think. I'm no flower expert, but so bummed about that. Hi. Cute boy. We just got home. Case fell asleep on our way home from riding with Colin in the swather, which he never naps anymore, so I'm taking it. But I wanted to nap, but this little one does not think that's a good idea. So I'm resting and he's being wild. We're gonna end the vlog, so I'm automatically doing a peace sign because peace out. I know that this vlog was super random videos of our week, but oh gosh, I just ripped out a big old eyelash. I hope you enjoyed the randomness, and we will see you next week.